Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. At your home, there is an CarPlay-able car. Then here, you can use this to operate wireless CarPlay inside your vehicle. This is possible with a small dongle, and this it calls MoCo Wireless CarPlay Adapter for the Apple iPhone 2025 upgraded model. The Mini CarPlay Wireless Adapter for iOS 10 Plus and cars with the Apple CarPlay wired CarPlay to wireless is functional possible. Fast response, stable control, no delay. Ultra cool. Ultra connection. The MoCo wireless Apple CarPlay adapter is equipped with the latest 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and next generation chipset. It takes 10 seconds for the first time to connect, 3 seconds for automatic reconnection, and it has a near zero latency for daily use. We enjoy wireless navigation, music calls, and Siri. Realize a smoother using experience and truly safe driving. And you can see it's really easy. You get this dongle into position in the wired place where your car is possible to enter the CarPlay there. And then you go into Bluetooth and connect it. It can pair your car and that device, or not the car, it's the dongle and your smartphone device. After this, it will be automatically connect with CarPlay. And after you perform this, you're in. CarPlay will be activated as soon as possible. This is small, this is stable, and this is sturdy. We say goodbye to unreliable connection with our CarPlay wireless adapter for the iPhone. Its cable-free design avoids the cable bending, breaking, and adapter movement and disconnection common with other adapters. The CarPlay adapter is sturdy and reliable, tested for over 10,000 insertions. It is small and can be easily fit into our pocket, backpack, or a car slot. And wide compatibility because the Bluetooth CarPlay adapter is compatible with any car with a factory-installed wired Apple CarPlay. It supports iPhone 6 and later, as well as iOS 10 and above. Includes a USB-A and a Type-C extension cable for all usage scenarios. We should make sure that our car is a CarPlay enabled before purchasing. The Android Auto is not supported in that device. And we enjoy wireless CarPlay. If our car supports wired CarPlay, the MoCo Wireless CarPlay adapter is the either choice to unlock wireless CarPlay functions. We say goodbye to plugging and unplugging cables. We just plug it into once, and every time we start the car, it will automatically activate the CarPlay wireless connection even if the adapter is in our pocket. We enjoy a neat, cable-free car environment and a seamless, smoothing driving experience. CarPlay itself comes to us and makes our car smarter, because this is an Apple standard that enables a car radio or an automotive head unit to be a display and controller for an iOS device. It is available on the iPhone 5 and later models running iOS 7.1 or later. More than 800 car and motorcycle models supports CarPlay, according to Apple. Vehicle owners can add support by installing 13 aftermarket vehicle audio products. The most CarPlay systems connect to wires through USB. But here it comes. This device here makes it wireless. And wireless support can be added through aftermarket dongles, as you can see here. The Apple CarPlay enables apps included the phone, the Apple Music, the Apple Maps, Calendar, Messages, audiobooks, podcast, settings, news, and. Really cool. We can navigate by using then this CarPlay adapter with the latest possibilities of tracking and moving. This all brings us, if you have a wired CarPlay in your car already there, this Moco wireless CarPlay adapter brings us the possibility to use our CarPlay wireless. Wireless means without a wire. That's cool because we're going by Bluetooth and by Wi-Fi connection. Easy peasy, baby. Moco wireless CarPlay adapter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Zun.
Hey Siri, erzähl mir einen Witz.
Was macht eine Piratin am Computer? Sie drückt die Enter-Taste.